What's up, high levelers? It's Andrew, and today I'm bringing you an update for LinkedIn posting on the social planner. We now have the ability to post multiple images as a PDF through LinkedIn, and we also have the ability to upload a PDF and post it as an image, so we can do that vice versa. Let me show you exactly how it works. So in the social planner, when we go to create a new post, we can click create new post at the right-hand side, select LinkedIn by scrolling down and selecting our LinkedIn social media account. And this is where things get interesting. So we have two new features. The first one is we can upload images by clicking the image button right here, selecting images from the media library or using AI. And then we can select multiple images just like this. So I'm going to go ahead, select 2 or 3, and now I have my images in the post. As you can see, this is a preview of what it will look like when you post them as images, but at the bottom, we can check this checkbox to post photos as a PDF document, which is really cool. So we can take this and we can now scroll through these images as it were a PDF. It automatically formats it correctly, and this is what it's going to look like whenever it's actually on LinkedIn. We can then give this a PDF title, so we'll call it Andrew's PDF, and then people can scroll through this post, engage with it as if it were a PDF, and it's all going to be formatted correctly right within LinkedIn. This is a really cool way to repurpose content and post it to LinkedIn. If you, let's say, have lots of different images that you want to post, and rather than posting them as the sort of collage that LinkedIn defaults to, you can post them as a carousel using that PDF format that LinkedIn gives us, which is really cool. Now, but let's say we want to go the other direction and we want to post a PDF as images. Well, we can go ahead and click the X on any of these images in order to upload our PDF. And then rather than clicking the image uploader, we're going to click the document uploader right here, this little icon, and this will allow us to upload a PDF from our media storage. So we can select that PDF, give it time to load in. And then now, as you can see, we've got every page of this PDF in our LinkedIn post. We've got all of them right here. You can scroll through them and we can give it a title, but it's going to default to the PDF title that it already has in the media storage. As you can see, we've got our PDF in here that we uploaded as a PDF, but we can also uncheck this box at the bottom that will actually post our PDF as photos, which is also really cool. So this gives us just more control over posting to LinkedIn. It allows us to repurpose our content a little bit better and have more control over what we're posting to the platform. So this is a really awesome way to repurpose your content. I hope you'll get to use this whenever it comes to posting to LinkedIn, and I hope this makes things easier when it comes to managing your social media via the social planner right within HighLevel. If you have any questions about this feature, leave a comment. As always, thank you so much for watching.